Transurfers, and welcome to TransurfingTV. I am Renee Garcia, and this is one of our 78 days of practical transurfing. We're on day 38. My world takes care of me, and I thought we just went over this one in the last 78 days of practical transurfing, but I think this is just saying it in a different way, right? This is, last week was co-coordinating intention, and now, the previous lesson was co-coordinating intention, and now this one, my world takes care of me, which is more or less the same thing. But this really has to do with getting into a positive relationship with your world and trusting that everything coming in your direction is for your ultimate good, and never challenging that and never, ever, ever doubting it. So if you would like to win some of these, like this video and comment in the comment section below. I love reality transurfing, and I just might send you a stack. So with that, I will get into it. Day 38, my world takes care of me. This is a firm affirmation. My world takes care of me. Whatever circumstances you encounter, even the most mundane, keep repeating this affirmation to yourself. Whatever happens, good or bad. If you meet with a stroke of luck, do not forget to affirm the world really is looking out after you. State this affirmation in connection with every small detail. When you find circumstances disheartening, still affirm that everything is turning out as it should. Your world knows how to look after you much better than you do. How you look in the mirror is how things will be. Interpretation. Adding gold to the mirror's reflective amalgam, as the Venetian masters used to do, makes everything in the reflection acquire warmer shades. Because the world is a mirror, you can tune it in the same way by creating your own amalgam. For example, you could choose, my world takes care of me, as the dominant idea. Take it to be an axiom. Deliberately adjust your perception of the world to align with the dominant idea, and then you will see how the mirror responds. Despite its simplicity, the amalgam technique is much more powerful than you might expect. If you have the patience to make this technique a habit, after some time, you will literally be amazed at how much real influence your thoughts are having on your environment. Wow, this is so good. I mean, talk about insurance on life, right? On anything negative happening, on anything unfortunate, because as human beings, we go through all kinds of stuff, right? Sometimes our countries enter into war. We have things like pandemic happen. We have relatives or people close to us die. We lose businesses. All sorts of stuff. But if you look back from this moment, right at this moment, if you look back on your life, on your past, and you are happy with where you are right now, wouldn't it seem as though, even though at times that you didn't know this, your world was in fact taking care of you, that your world was ultimately always leading you in a way that was towards now, this ultimate place that you have arrived in this moment, doing the things that you need to do to connect with your higher self, connecting with transurfing, connecting with a community of people that are like-minded, forming a new reality for yourself that includes a path of personal development. And of course, you're still on that path, right? This isn't the end moment. You are still on that path, but your world was taking care of you before, it's taking care of you now. It's going to continue to take care of you, and things are going to just gradually improve just as they have from, let's say, 5 years ago until today. Imagine 5 years from now, if you can really start trusting this. Because I know for me personally, in my past, I doubted my world. I was very mistrusting of my world, and I didn't view my world is a very comfortable, beautiful place, but still my world was taking care of me. It was ultimately leading me in the right direction. And I kind of wish that I would have saved myself a bunch of headache and stress and anxiety by just adopting this. So now I have this. This is embedded in my psyche. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. And not only do I get to reap the benefits of my world taking care of me, I get to settle into these thoughts and really just be one with my world and happy that my world's got my back, and I don't have to use inner intention, and I don't have to freak out every time something happens that seems against my intention, and all the gifts that are to come in the future, right? Via outer intention and my world, catching that wave of success and feeling one with things rather than I'm battling and my world's not taking care of me and things are kind of, not the way that I want them to be. Everything today is exactly the way I want it to be. Things are continuing to improve. My world is taking care of me. Everything is going according to plan, and things are working out beautifully and will continue to do so with ease. Yay! So if you would like some of these, like this video, comment below. I love reality transurfing, and I just might send you a stack. All right, everyone, thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you tune into the prior 78 days of practical transurfing if you missed any of them. I think there's 36 behind us, so go and binge. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.